So my sikat friends are here. And this is our table set up.
Oh my God.
So eto na nga mga hobbies. Look what I got. I got fresh flowers. Bumili ako ng mga fresh flowers. Mamaya ko explain bakit. So eto na nga mga hobbies. I'm so excited today because I have my sikat friends. We have our sikat friends coming over for dinner.
What?
Pero more than that, mas excited ako because every time, alam niyo naman, pag may mga bisita dito sa bahay, I get to set up the table. So I'm gonna do tablescaping. Tablescaping tayo today. And I'm very excited because I've got new toys to play with. Toys talaga. So I got these from Lecraft. They're called Lecraft. Thank you so much for sending these over. So these are handmade, handcrafted na mga placemats. Our table is actually 8-seater, but I always want 10 pieces because just in case masira, 'di ba? Meron kang pampalit. So nandito na pala yung aming isang sikat friend. Mr. Jeffrey Hidalgo is in the house.
Direct Jeffrey Hidalgo. Sikat friends.
Sikat friends. Parang knitted, no? Tinahi talaga siya. Ang ganda. So I have decided to use this wooden charger plates. Ayan. Sa tablescaping naman, you can use placemat or charger. But in this case, gusto ko lang doble-doble. Bakit? Why not? Irregular shape na plates na stoneware yung gagamitin natin. Ayan. Ma'am, your opinion? I think for me,
Should be gold. Ay, black pa.
tingnan mo.
Yes,
Kasi
okay.
siya bagay siya because of
Tama.
the black and brown na placemats.
Kaya huwag
Look at
yung
the gold, oh. Maganda naman ang gold. Pero,
Pero mas maganda naman.
iba ang dating nito. So we have these off-white na mga table napkins. It made the entire plate set up cohesive. Especially na ganito din yung kulay ng chairs. And now we go to the most exciting part. Bakit ako may fresh flowers? I've always dreamed. Gusto ko talaga actually ng mga flowers dito sa bahay ay fresh. Alam niyo naman kung napanood niyo na yung ibang vlogs namin, yung mga flowers sa bahay, plastic. May mga nagko-comment, mas maganda pa rin fresh. Well, the thing is, pag fresh kasi, mas kailangan ng maintenance. Pag mga plastic flowers kasi, gagastos ka one time tapos forever na. Pero still, I agree with you. Mas maganda ang fresh. So today, first time kong gagawin. I wish me luck. Goodbye fake flowers and let's go for fresh flowers. Maliit lang yung vase ko, so gugupitin natin siya. Para ganyan lang. Ayan! Actually, iba talaga ang dating ng fresh flowers. Parang
Ganda.
fresh. And guys, dumating na yung isa kong sikat na friend. Ana Pillay is in the house.
Hello!
Just gonna keep it simple since wala naman akong alam sa flower arrangement.
Wala daw alam sa flower.
Wala talaga, B.
Ito ang sexy, oh. Kaibigan naming sexy.
Yes.
Ayan. I'm not an expert at all. Hindi ako marunong mag-flower arrangement. So, I kept it simple. Masaya lang ako na fresh ang flowers. And there's a certain kind of happy feeling pag nakakita ng fresh. Ang fresh ng friend ko, di ba?
So, pag nakita ng fresh, fan to Ana.
Pero ang saya ko kasi may fresh flowers. Pero gusto ko mag-aral ng paano
Yeah.
flower arrangement. Flower arrangement na mas maganda. Hi, Doc! Dito pa isa namin sikat na friend.
Sikat chupoy.
Miss you.
I miss you.
Hindi ka mahilig sa yellow, no?
Hindi ngayon.
Ay, ang dami. Pag si Doc Jinky talaga pumunta sa bahay, ang daming pagkain.
Laging yan. I miss you.
This is our table set
Oh,
Oh
yay.
my God.
I love your new placemat. And
Yes! Ay, hindi ko pala nasabi sa iyo. Kakarating lang yan because pinadala ng Lecraft. They're handmade.
Ang ganda. Seriously, where is the craft?
Ay, teka muna.
Pwede sila magpadala sa'yo.
Hingitin kita.
Wait lang.
Diba? Baka pwede rin.
Oo. Message ko sila. Kasi ang ganda. I love how elegant these handcrafted placemats are.